So here I am with my main man, Benjamin, here at the FlexSoft station at FESPA 2024, guys. We are about to jump into the FESPA 2024 tutorial edition. We'll just call it the Forever TV FESPA edition right here, where we're going to be going through a couple of our famous products, giving a great tutorial over all of them. Benjamin, I'm going to take over your station if that's okay with you, and we'll just start making a few demonstrations while we are here. Now, like I said, we are at the amazing FlexSoft station, compatible with both laser, white toner, LED, CMYK, printers in general. They are going to come out amazing because guess what? You only need black. You're only printing in black onto your foil, and you're getting the beautiful colors from our amazing FlexSoft foiled colors. So let's go ahead and pull out one of our first transfers. We already have a couple already printed out, ready to go. I really want to show off this beautiful, beautiful metallic for you guys today. So let's find one of those prints. Oh yeah, this metallic rose gold is one of my absolute favorites, besides that neon up there. That beautiful neon that shines even in blue light, okay guys? Looks amazing. So we have our transfer already laid out. For anybody asking, it is going to be the 11 by 17 version. We also have the 8.5 by 11, so A3 and A4 are what we have for the FlexSoft. Now, what helps the FlexSoft get onto the t-shirt? That is our amazing B Paper Pro. Now the B Paper Pro, I like to break it down and tell everybody it's like our glue. It's basically a glue sheet. With our laser dark, it also helps provide another layer of white behind the actual image to help it pop a bit more. That's also what it's going to do here for FlexSoft, but it's really going to be helping with our glue phase. So what we're going to do first is lay those two right on top of each other. This, if you're not familiar, is called the marrying process. You take that A sheet and that B sheet, which our A sheet is called the FlexSoft, and our B sheet, conveniently, is named the B Paper Pro. We're going to take both of those two together and heat press them, called the marrying process. Now, the only difference between this marrying process and the other marrying process legally is you can't divorce these two after it's done. So once I put them onto the heat press and get them together, they are stuck together forever. Get it? Forever. So let's go ahead and pop both of those onto the heat press right now. I'm sitting at about 160 degrees Celsius. Guys, I'm in Europe. I don't know what that is in American. I know it's up there. Somebody convert it for me in the comments. But we're at 160 Celsius with about a medium pressure on the heat press. We'll go ahead and lay both of those down. We'll take just a regular matte finishing economy paper. Nothing special about this, no gloss at all. Just a regular matte sheet, put it right on top, and we'll get that heat press for 90 seconds. So let's go ahead and close that heat press down, and we'll get our t-shirt ready next. We have a bunch of t-shirts back here. I personally think that metallic looks really good on black, so let's grab a black t-shirt. All we're going to do to this t-shirt is heat press it. Number one, for the wrinkles inside of it. Number two is just for the humidity. I want to get it a bit dry, take that humidity out of the shirt so my transfer sits well on top of it. No pre-treating required, no additional steps. I am just going to heat press this about 5 or 10 seconds just for that humidity. So as we wait for that 90 seconds to finish off, I'll just lay my shirt over there, make sure I have my scissors already ready. This is Benjamin's station, so I want to make sure that I have everything I need located right next to me. So while we're here waiting for the rest of that 90 seconds to go by, check out a couple of these other beautiful transfers we've been making out here. Like I said, we have it in metallic, beautiful metallic gold, rose gold, and silver. We also have it, which one is this? Blank. This would be the metallic rose gold here. Beautiful other metallics. You can take it over to matte finishes as well. Guys, I love this. I understand we're just kind of testing out many different designs, but check out that combo design that we were able to put on there. 4 different prints, one same t-shirt, but still looks very, very nice at the same time. You're getting that metallic and those matte colors, and even you get that beautiful, beautiful black over here with Mr. Beetle as well. So you're not limited to one color, you have so many different options. And as I say that, our heat press is ready. So let's go ahead and open that bad boy up. We'll start with the peel process. We're gonna take that parchment sheet off. When you're peeling these Forever products and most products, you want to be fast and efficient. So I don't want to talk too much. I want to go ahead and start peeling this now. Take it at the corner, start with those 2 sheets, and I will simply just peel those 2 apart, keeping it low and slow. While my left hand is still pulling from the bottom, my right hand is still pulling from the top. I'm just going to slowly but surely continue to pull both of those and I will get a beautiful, beautiful coverage right on the outside of that. Now let's take a look at this one and compare it to one that isn't covered with the B Paper Pro. As you see, that beautiful B paper has added that adhesive layer as well as a bit of white to it, whereas with this one you see just the black and there's nothing else on that sheet. That B Paper Pro is a game changer. It allows for a much more stretchable item on side of your garment, and you also get a better washability with it as well. The B Paper Pro is the Pro for a reason, okay? B Paper Low Temp, you still have a place in my heart, but the Pro, it's the go. So let's go ahead and cut the outside of this Flex Soft sheet. Now, there will always be a white little outline right on the outside of my sheet. Come on up and take a quick look at that. Kind of here on the edge, there's a white outline right there on it, and that just happens to come from our B Paper Pro. Now, one thing I want to talk about with that, and the reason that happens is because I don't want anyone to keep that on there. No one wants that weird boxy image around their graphic, is the B Paper Pro is about a millimeter, probably less than that, tinier than the A foil sheet. Because when you heat up glue, what happens to it? It expands, it loosens. If this B Paper Pro were the same size as the A foil, all of that glue, that little bit of lining would be on my heat press pad, and I don't want that. So we keep it about a millimeter shorter so that the glue expands onto the sheet and causes no damage to our shirt or to our heat press. Let's cut the outside of that box, as I've already lost my scissors and I don't want to lose them again. So we'll cut that off. Does not have to be symmetrical at all. I just don't want to cut into my image. I just want that box right out of my beautiful, beautiful graphic. We have that done, ready to go. Place it to the side, and next all I want to do is just heat press my t-shirt. Once again, just for the wrinkles, because it's a bit wrinkly in there, and to get that humidity out of there as well. So, lay that down, smooth it out, and just heat press it. Not too long. Like I said, this is for nothing other than getting the wrinkles and humidity out. So there's no specific time that you need to pre-press this shirt. You just want to make sure those wrinkles aren't there to cause any problems with your transfer. I'll open it back up. That was about 10 seconds or so. I think that's perfect for me. It's nice and flat, ready to go. Take my transfer and pop it right on top of my garment. Now, most people will say 2 to 3 fingers right underneath the neckline. I typically follow 2 because I got little sausage fingers right here, so I don't need 3 fingers to go there, just about 2. Place my transfer right there, and that's the perfect spot for it to go. If you're ever not confident about it, you can always use the lining. Many people have that, so all of their designs are symmetrical. Me, I'm an odd guy, okay? So it's gonna look how it's gonna look, but it's gonna still look great. Let's get that covered with our parchment sheet once again. Continue to use the same parchment sheet. Don't toss this out. It's just perfect for me. I might go bake a cake with it later because it's still looking so, so good. I'll pop it right here on top of my transfer, and I wanna let that go for 30 seconds. Still at that 160 Celsius, still at that medium pressure, have not changed it at all. We're gonna let that go for 30 seconds. Put it to the side so it'll cool, and then we'll go ahead and peel it off of there, and you'll be met with those beautiful results. So let's let that finish off, and while we have 15 seconds left, let me also shout out my amazing team at Insta who have helped us with this beautifully designed product, the Insta Forever Edition. Beautiful, timeless, matte black design, 25-year plus lifespan, durable industrial heating machine with a beautiful heat recovery as well. That's one big thing about the heat industry and FESPA. We are in these event halls. We are around so many different people, so many different temperatures. You want a heat press with an amazing fast heat recovery to it. I'm gonna place this to the side. You want something with amazing heat recovery because as we go through all of these different temperatures, it's a bit cold 1 hour, a bit hot another hour. I need a heat press that can keep up with that. So I don't want my temperature to drop any lower than it needs to, and if it does, I want it to pop right back as soon as it can. That's the Insta Forever Edition heat press right there. Shout out to Insta for this amazing, beautiful design and our amazing team for putting that together. So we're gonna let our shirt just cool down a little bit, give it a bit of a wave over here because, again, it is a little hot, okay? I keep wiping sweat off of my head. Don't worry about that. I'm okay. I'm okay. But we just want this to cool down just a little bit as well. So let's see how that feels. You will notice immediately once it's ready. I still feel like it's warm. It feels kind of like a... I wanted to say a toilet seat. It feels like a toilet seat when you get up, but we're gonna cut that out maybe, I don't know. It feels like a bottom of a pan, okay, when you touch it. And we don't want it to feel that way once it's done. But it kind of feels like, let's just say a regular seat. After somebody stands up and you sit back down in it, you don't want your transfer to feel like that. You want it to be cool to the touch and ready to peel off. Because again, it is glue. And when glue is hot, it is still kind of malleable. It can move around. It's not stuck in place. So I want that glue to fully solidify, and then I'm able to pull that transfer off. No sooner than that. You will notice inaccuracies inside of your transfer if you do start trying to do a hot peel, at least with some of our products, okay? So I'll still keep that waving around, get that cool. Here. Woo. Still going. Okay, we're ready now. Let's go ahead and get this transfer rolled off of here. So, my method and my always method will be to use these two hands to roll my transfer off. I never want to just yank my transfer off ever. I want to make sure that it's delicate. I'll apply pressure as I am rolling, so I am assuring myself that it's still firmly pressed down while still getting that transfer off and getting this sheet off of here. So I'll typically start at the corner with the least amount of toner in it, so that I can ensure that I'm getting those little pieces first. I don't want to start in the bigger areas where that toner is. So I'll start kind of down here at the bottom. Let's see if I can smooth that out. Boom! So we'll start right down here at the bottom, and we'll just simply take it and start to roll with both of our hands, applying a little bit of pressure here. Again, I don't want to I want to roll it off of there. All right, so as we just finished rolling that off, you will notice that my A-foil is a beautiful indention of this amazing graphic here. I got that beautiful metallic rose gold on there in no time at all. And again, that's only by printing in black. So imagine taking just black toner, just like this image right here. You did nothing but print, and you get beautiful, amazing colors like this in no time. Again, in matte colors, metallic colors, and even neon as well. That's how quick and how amazing FlexSoft is. And guys, you probably will see it. If you haven't checked it out on Instagram, I highlighted this product with one of the most affordable printers in America, the Canon LBP 6030. Canon, if you're looking at this, holler at me, because we got some things to talk about to help the community produce amazing t-shirts and to really highlight entrepreneurship. I think that printer is a catalyst for this product becoming everyone's absolute favorite. It's an $80 printer, only prints in black toner, which is all you need. And you can still make amazing designs like this and this. Widen the shot up. All of this with just one printer, an $80 printer that prints only in black. Yes, you can use your white toner. Yes, you can use another simple laser printer, but honestly, the cheaper it is, you're just worried about the toner. So just worry about that, and you're gonna get these beautiful, beautiful prints in no time. So guys, that's at least FlexSoft No Cut here at FESPA 2024 edition. Hey, what do you think about this design? What do you think? You think it's very nice? Give it a good feel too. What do you think about the feel of it? Now this is, may I say your name? This is Stig Helstern. Yeah. Stig Helstern from Denmark. Thank you for joining us here. It's a pleasure to have you. So this is our FlexSoft No Cut. You say it looks pretty nice. What do you say?
Oh, it's really nice, yeah.
Yeah, this is our metallic actually. So we offer it in many different colors, the black, the yellows, the blues, matte, but this is that beautiful metallic that you can get as well. Rated 1 to 10. What would you say?
It's flexible.
It is flexible.
9 or 10.
9 out of 10. That's a honest review just
9
from
or 10.
9 or 10. Whoa, so that's pretty good. That is really, really good actually. So thank you for that honest review. I really appreciate it just of the product. We just finished a quick, well, we're still doing the video, but we just finished a quick demonstration of it, and I wanted to see how you felt about it. Someone just with an opinion that doesn't have any interference with the company. Okay. So thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Nice to meet you, Mr. Helstern. It's a pleasure. Bye-bye. So guys, right there, live and in person, you saw it. I don't know that man. He just kind of came up. He's from Denmark. I'm from ATL. You know, I don't know much about that. But thank you to him for stopping by and just giving you guys a quick, honest review of how that FlexSoft looks even in person. I'm not here to try to sell you a dream. I'm here to try to sell you a lifestyle, something you can start on your own and be your own boss in no time with Forever Transfers and our quick and easy self-weeding applications like Forever FlexSoft. So until next time, because we're going to make our way around and finish off this FESPA edition of how to use Forever products, I'll see you guys very soon on the next episode of the Forever TV Tutorials FESPA edition. See you guys in a little bit.